We are in Fukushima Prefecture in Atami area, Atami Machi, not to be confused with the Atami that's near Tokyo, a resort area. This is in Fukushima, and this is a Japanese ryokan, an inn called Auberge Suzukane, and we're here for the night. It's a 7-room luxury property, and we're staying here at the end. This room is called Kihinshitsu Kinu. It's a Kihinshitsu, I guess, is the equivalent of a VIP room. It's the highest category of the 7 rooms. It was just renovated less than a year ago and modernized. It's a little bit more spacious. It actually has 2 bedrooms. And then it also has the only one with the open air onsen, the hot springs bath. Whereas the other rooms have hot springs, but only indoor baths. So there's differences there. You can see how very smart and modern it is. There's kind of cool little decorations. Auberge Suzukane branded cow. This is nearby Aizu Wakamatsu. It's one of its iconic creatures is a red cow. Long story, I won't go into details there. Anyways, this is the main living area. Again, Western style, wooden floors, heated, that you could adjust. It's very nice. And then you got a little patio over here. And then the TV. And you can see here a river down below. This is green season. It's post cherry blossom. And so you have the living area here. You have a mini bar, water dispenser, microwave, sink. And then you can see from over here, this is the secondary bedroom or sleeping area. There's 2 beds. This is if you have more than one group of people. And this is a closet where you can store all your stuff, which we've already done. In here you can see they have yukata and samue, which are Japanese robes for lounging around. And so you can see again another angle at the living room. Okay, so we have, let's go to the main bedroom. I guess it's the main one. Yeah. Here we go. So while we see this layout, and then, I don't think this leads to anything. Anyway, so this is Atami, Bandai Atami. It's near Bandai National Park. A lot of things to do. There's the Goshikunuma Ponds, marshlands. There's summer activities or skiing. All number of things. Lake Inawashiro, Aizu Wakamatsu, a historic city, lots to do there. There's also Aizu Wakamatsu Castle, which is absolutely gorgeous. And so this is the wash basin. So this is about our 4th visit to the area, the Tohoku, Fukushima Yamagata, southern Tohoku, and we never tire of it. and we experience something new all the time. So this this room slightly, it has 2 bedrooms, slightly more spacious. You have indoor onsen, outdoor onsen. It's a modest size, but and then this is the shower area. And the other thing that they have here, if you open this up, is a ganban. It's like a sauna, but it's a lava rocks sauna. A distinctly Japanese thing. So you can lay down there, or you can sit here. So, ooh, a lot of steam coming out of there. So let's take a, so this onsen, it's Bandai Atami Onsen is the name of the hot springs. The spring water they actually get, which is supposedly good for the skin, although most onsen places say that about their onsen, but supposedly this is a good one, and it's free-flowing, never recirculated. They call it gensen kakenagashi in Japanese. So not much of a yard. You can see just kind of left nature to its devices. You can see here, kind of a tight squeeze for 2, but it is a real onsen. So Auberge, as the name suggests, is an auberge property. It's more Japanese than a lot of other auberge kind of fusion, European-inspired cuisine. But that's from what I gather from comments from other people who stay here. But we'll find out how that is. So 7 rooms. This is the highest category 1 Kinu, the VIP room at Auberge Suzukane. Hope you enjoyed.